our ice bin and bottles holder. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 24 inches. A depth of 22.5 inches. And height, 33 inches tall. Dual slide doors on top. And included are 2 buckets. Each bucket will measure 5.5 inches in length, 16 inches in depth, 5 inches in height. Each bucket will have 3 separate compartments and will apply for both. Measurements for the interior ice bin. We have 21.5 inches in length, 14.5 inches in depth, 12 inches in height. Main drain located beneath the ice bin. Coming to the front will be an area to hold your mugs, cups, and bottles. This area measuring 24 inches in length, 4 inches in depth, and 6 inches in height. Measurements apply for this area to store your cocktails, bottles, and much more. Located to the far left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.